Why do 90% of AI learners struggle to apply what they know? Because they skip the fun part, real projects. Let's fix that. First up, we're making an AI-powered number recognizer using Lobe.ai. Lobe makes training AI models a breeze, no coding needed. Just upload a dataset of handwritten digits, label them, and let Lobe do the magic. Boom! You've got an AI that can read numbers. How cool is that? Next, we'll dive into the world of AI-generated art with DALL. Imagine typing a futuristic city at sunset in cyberpunk style and watching it come to life. Visit OpenAI's DALL platform, type your wildest prompts, and let the AI paint your imagination. Perfect for your next digital art project. Now let's get practical with a personalized recommendation system. Just like Netflix suggesting your next binge watch, collect some data on user preferences, use Python and Pandas to organize it, and apply a collaborative filtering algorithm. Voila! Custom recommendations at your fingertips. Finally, let's tackle debugging and optimizing your AI models. Ensure you have diverse, well-labeled data, fine-tune your hyperparameters, and use techniques like dropout to prevent overfitting. Test on different datasets to boost accuracy. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool you can start using today. Which project will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hands-on AI tutorials. See you in the next video.